Here comes some conclusions. By using the hybrid DT and GA algorithm, we can overcome the problem of presetting cutting plans in the GA. And by using the GA, we can generate and optimize alignments in the specific corridors that determine the promising passes. This method is technically sound. By comparing our method with the manual work, we can generate more cost-effective vertical alignments. Also, we propose a novel method for automatically generating backtracking crews in complex mountainous regions, and a novel feasible region determination approach is proposed, which can dynamically handling the vertical constraints when designing an alignment.